Hi class, today we're going to go over the worksheet that's in front of you, and to start with, let's look at the picture at the top of the page. So, what do you think's going on in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Yep, yes, so there's a girl, a boy, and a woman, and what does it look like they're doing? Yep, yeah, they're teaching, very good. Alright, so now we're going to go on to the second activity, which is vocabulary practice. So, to start, you're going to match up the words on the right with the pictures on the left. So I'll give you a moment to fill that out. Okay, looks like everyone's done. So which box matches with a teacher? Yep, yeah, it'd be the second box. Very good. And what about a doctor? Yeah, the first box. Great. And how about the police officer? Yeah, third box. Very good. And the pilot? Yeah, the fourth box. Great job. And does anyone know anyone who has these jobs? Yeah, your uncle's a police officer. Very cool. Okay, so now we're going to look at places. So same as the previous activity, you're going to match the words with the boxes. So take a second and fill that out. Okay, so which one looks like a hospital? Yeah, the first picture. Very good. And how about the police station? Yeah, the second box. Very good. And how about a school? Yeah, the fourth box. Great job. And an airport? Yeah, the airport is the third box. Good work. And who would work in each of these places? Yep. Yeah, the doctor would work in the hospital. And what about who would work in the police station? Yep. Yeah, very good. The police officer. How about a school? Yeah, a teacher. And airport? Airport's pilot. Very good. And now we're going to look at things that they would do in these jobs. So once again, same as before, you're going to match up the words with the picture. And let's do this one as a class. So, which box do we think matches flies a plane? Yeah, it'd be the fourth box. And how about help sick people? Yep, it would be the first box. Very good. And how about teaches students? Yeah, the second box. Very good. And how about catches thieves? Yeah, the third box. And who would do these things? What jobs would match up with this? So flies planes would be the pilot, very good. And help sick people would be a doctor, very good. And someone who teaches students would be the teacher, great job. And how about catches thieves? Who would catch thieves? Yeah, police officer, great work. All right, so now we're gonna do some conversation practice. So in these exercises, you're going to match up the two sentences together that make sense. So let's do the first one together. So what is he? What would match with that? He's a scientist, very good. And how about what is her job? What would be the sentence that matches with, or be the answer to what is her job? Yeah, she's a vet, very good. All right, so how about we have everyone do this next one by themselves. So once again, you're gonna match up the sentences with their corresponding, or the question with their corresponding answer. All right, so it looks like everyone's done. So what does a baker do? Yeah, that's right, a baker bakes bread. Very good. And how about the chef? What does a chef do? Yeah, a chef makes food in a restaurant. Very good. All right, so now we're gonna do the same as before, match the sentences together, and we're gonna be talking about where people work. So, where does the cashier work? Yeah, she works in a supermarket. Very good. And how about where do you work? Yeah, I work in a fire station. I'm a firefighter. Very good. Now let's talk about you. So, you're gonna match the sentence with the corresponding answer and then fill in the blank. So we'll do the first one together. What do you want to be? Which one matches with that? Yeah, I want to be a firefighter. Very cool. And what about the second one? Yeah, where do you want to work? I want to work in a fire station as a firefighter. Very good. All right, so now we're going to go on to the next activity, and you're going to look at the picture at the top of the page, and with your partner, you're going to write down what comes to mind when you see the picture. So take a moment and write it down. Okay, so now we're going to go over what you wrote down as a class. So let's answer these questions about the picture. So what is his job? Yep. Yeah, he's a baker. And where would the baker work? Yep. Yeah, a bakery or restaurant. Yeah. And what does he do? That's right, the baker would bake. Very good. And what things can you see in the picture? Yep. Yeah, so you can see an oven, you see bread, you can see the baker. And what is he making in the picture? Yep. Yeah, it looks like he's making bread. Very good. And is there anything else people can see from the picture? Yeah, so he's wearing a hat, he has gloves on, and the baker's a man. Very good. So now we're going to move on and look at this chart here. And the chart's going to show you what different people want to work as. So take a moment with your partner and look at it and write down what you think the chart means. Okay, so now let's talk about it as a class. So which job choice seems to be the most popular? Yep, yeah, pilot. Very good. And which one seems to be the least popular? Yep, yeah, scientist. Now, why do you think pilot's the most popular one? Yeah? Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, being a pilot's a pretty cool job. And why do you think being a scientist is the least popular? Yeah? Yeah, maybe. It's maybe because it's very hard to do. It's a good idea on it. All right. Thank you for your attention today, guys. You've been great.